In this video, I'll show you how to add a custom token to Trust Wallet. First, open Trust Wallet and go to your main wallet screen. Trust Wallet's official support says you should scroll to the bottom of your asset list and tap Manage Crypto. After that, tap the plus icon in the top right corner to start adding a custom token. Next, select the correct network for the token. This part is very important because the token must match its actual blockchain, such as Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, or another supported network. Then paste the token's contract address. Trust Wallet says that once you enter the contract address, the token details like name, symbol, and decimals should usually fill in automatically. Before you save it, double-check that the contract address came from the project's official website or a trusted block explorer. Trust Wallet specifically recommends verifying token information carefully because using the wrong contract address could expose you to fake or scam. Tokens. Once everything looks correct, tap Add, Token, Import, or Save, depending on the version of Trust Wallet you're using. After that, the token should appear in your wallet list so you can track it more easily. Trust Wallet also supports this process in both the mobile app and the browser extension. So the simple process is open Manage Crypto, tap the plus icon, choose the right network, paste the contract address, and save the token. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.